Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best LEGO sets for adults that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the LEGO Stranger Things The Upside Down Building Kit. When Stranger Things hit Netflix in July 2016, people were immediately drawn to the 80s style setting and the nostalgic references to things from our childhood. Then, the series proceeded to blow us away with a great story, relatable characters, and a terrifying otherworldly villain. Following this great feat, the show received a lot of acclaims and the second and third season have become international hits, thrusting its child actors into the stratosphere in the process. So, for all the series fan men and women, we now have the LEGO Stranger Things The Upside Down 75,810 Building Kit. As the name implies, it is a building kit from the hit show that allows you to build out some of its most iconic set pieces. Moving on at number 4, we have the LEGO Ideas Treehouse Building Kit. Most of us had tree houses as kids where we willed away many hours reading comic books, playing with friends and having imaginary battles, or tea parties. It is for this reason that the LEGO Ideas 21,318 Treehouse Building Kit is such a hit. Not only does it act as a throwback to the times when we were young, but it does it in style. This 3,036-piece building kit is a test of patience and creativity, but don't worry, the kit comes with instructions on what to do. Therefore, you are presented with all the tools to create a thriving treehouse with beautiful leaves, 3 cabins, and even a buildable picnic table. To further add to the appeal of the kit, the treehouse set comes with interchangeable leaves that let the user easily swap between the fresh green leaves of spring and the yellow, brownish leaves of autumn. At number 3, we have the LEGO Creator Expert Taj Mahal Building Kit, commissioned in 1632 by the Emperor Shah Jahan of India. The Taj Mahal is an architectural masterpiece which was built in memory of his favorite wife, Empress Mumtaz Mahal. It sits on a humongous 42-acre complex, and it took almost a decade to complete. Now, with the LEGO Creator Expert Taj Mahal 10,256 Building Kit and Architecture Model, you can have this marvel in your home. Made to be as close to the original as possible, this model contains 4 facades with arches, a central dome, 4 minarets, and many other details from the original building. At number 2, we have the Ideas NASA Apollo Saturn V LEGO set for adults. Indulge in your inner Benny spaceman with this meter-high build that recreates the wondrous feats of engineering by NASA and is entirely worth the hype. Considered by many to be the greatest LEGO set of all time, the Apollo Saturn V is an embodiment of how much LEGO has advanced over the years and leave many EFOLs, adult fans of LEGO, in awe of the intricacies of the build. From sleek white design to the many little treats that you discover during the build, this is the yardstick against all other sets that inspire both wonder and curiosity. Sold with an excellent price-to-piece ration that is a major selling point for many brickheads out there, the Apollo might not be the most complex LEGO sets for adults, but it is certainly one of the most rewarding. Despite its size, the set is still stable and durable enough to withstand moving it from table to shelf and will give you peace of mind when showing it off to others. And finally at number 1, we have the Statue of Liberty LEGO set for adults. This beautiful LEGO architecture set is the perfect addition for anyone who enjoys crafting constructions that are intended to last throughout the centuries and be recognized across the globe. Celebrating the world of architecture, the Statue of Liberty LEGO set is complete with a realistic color scheme, intricately designed pedestal, and is accentuated with detailed columned balconies, a flowing gown, and the golden torch that is an icon of the USA. The perfect gift for any lover of history or famous landmarks of the world, the Statue of Liberty LEGO set will provide a challenging but rewarding experience and will sit perfectly on any display shelf.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.